Okay, in between this weather, let's talk about the match between CSK and MI, which is has started, which has been started, and I think that okay, now this weather is looking very horrifying. Okay, sorry. I'm just leaving this place. It's okay, okay, that's okay, okay. You can't see me, guys. Can't see me. Let me show you something, which is thing. Okay, that's really horrifying. I can't explain you what from which things I'm suffering from, and okay, now we need to end this up on that. Okay, okay, guys, bye.